Take a representative sample and cut it into 1 to 3 centimeter pieces. Next, weigh an empty microwave-safe container, remembering to allow the scales to 0. Record the weight of the container to the nearest gram. Fill the container with exactly 100 grams of your cut representative sample. Using 100 grams will make the moisture calculations easy. Record the total weight, remembering to note the time. Place a glass of water in the back corner of the microwave or on the wheel if it will not fit. This will prevent charring. Place straw and container in the microwave and set timer for 2 minutes. Remove from the microwave and reweigh, remembering to allow the scales to 0. Record the time and the weight. Fluffing straw will aid the moisture to escape. Be careful to pick up any pieces that fall out. Replace water to avoid overheating. Return the container to the microwave and heat for a further 30 seconds. Reweigh and record time and weight. Repeat this cycle until 2 concordant measurements are recorded, remembering to fluff your straw and replace the water. To calculate the moisture content, first deduct the container weight from the recorded measurements. Then take the final weight from the initial weight. This is the moisture content plus or minus 3%.